Hey guys, it's Mrs. Bothers, and in this video, we are going to look at how to solve equations that involve like terms. So these equations may look intimidating in the beginning, but they're actually a lot easier than they seem. All right, if you're solving equations that involve like terms, all you need to do is combine those like terms first and then solve your equation. So for instance, on this first equation right here, I have 8y plus 2y equals 30. All right, so my first step is going to be to combine those like terms. So if I add 8y plus 2y, that gives me 10y. So now I have just a basic one-step equation. 10y equals 30, divide both sides by 10, and I find that y equals 3. As always, make sure that you do, substitute your answer in the original equation to check your work. But I will say you could go ahead and skip that step of substituting into the original equation. I would go ahead and substitute it into 10y. So 10 times 3 equals 30. 30 equals 30. So I know this answer right here is correct. And actually, I guess I should be careful about saying you could skip that step, because if you combine your like terms incorrectly, then you're going to make a mistake again. So just be careful with combining your like terms. All right, the next example here, again, my first step here is I'm going to go ahead and combine negative 6n plus 2n. All right, that's going to give me negative 4n. All right, keep the rest of the equation. And now we've just got a two-step equation. So remember, with our two-step equations, first we're going to get rid of the value that's farthest from the variable. All right, in this case, on the side with the variable, I've got negative 4 and I have 3. The 3 is farther, so that's what I'm going to get rid of first. So we're going to add 3 on both sides of the equation. That leaves me with negative 4n equals, and negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. All right, then divide both sides by negative 4, and I have n equals, and negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. All right, as always, substitute your answer back into check. This time I will put it back into the original equation, because especially since it was more complicated, I want to make sure we don't make a mistake. So I have negative 6 times my value of the variable was 2. Okay, so negative 6 times 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 3 equals negative 11. All right, then let's work this out. I have negative 12 plus 4 minus 3 equals negative 11. If I work this out, negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. And then negative 8 minus 3 is the same as negative 8 plus negative 3. So that equals negative 11. All right, so here's my answer. So again, anytime you're solving equations that involve like terms, don't let it intimidate you. All you have to do is combine those like terms first and then solve it as you would any normal equation. All right, hopefully that helps you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.